Alright, hi, back again. With the electrical diagrams, we only got about 10 of them to look at here. You have your air compressor, motor 1, pilot light, buzzer, pressure sensor, and then fault code, leaky air hose, gasket, angle drain, cock, leak, check compressor valve, bad. Air compressor fails to pump. You have a air compressor motor, pilot light, buzzer, pressure sensor, leaky hose, angle cock, drain, compressor valve, bad. Engine overheating. You have a coolant. You have a plunger switch, buzzer, pilot light, float switch, pilot light, low coolant level, radiator grill fans, temperature switch, pressure switch, pilot light, buzzer, pressure sensor, air, fan, power, fuse, circuit breaker, thermostat, temperature switch, light, pilot buzzer, wheel temperatures, warning temperatures, WTS, adjustable resistor. Engine overspeeds trip shows the switch camshaft normally closed, motor diesel 1, 2, fuses 1, 2, buzzer, fuel pump, engine overhead tree switch, hot diodes, resistor grid, resistor temperature switch, diode, battery, LED, voltage, alarm, battery, resistor, diode. Low oil pressure, motor 1, resistor up, oil pressure, resistor, cinder pressure, oil sensor, switch, pressure switch, resistor. Motor 2, same thing, oil pressure sensor, pressure switch. Low water pressure, water temperature, pressure switch, resistor. No battery charge. 2 diodes going from the resistor, dynamic resistor, to the battery to a ammeter and battery switch, buzzer, and light. Shut down low oil pressure LED, oil pressure, engine stop, solenoid, oil pump, and buzzer. Shut down low water pressure, pressure switch, LED, pressure switch, motor, buzzer. Low water flow, pressure sensor, LED, pressure switch, relay, thermos, water pump, buzzer. Side door open, side door switch. Traction motor, temperature protection, motor 1 phase, temperature sensor for 3, and then 4 with a rectifier bridge, and temperature sensor and buzzer. And those are all your engine diagnostic circuits.